Hi teacher, I am student Diana Paula Clavijo Hurtado. Book read it under the same star. Okay, chapter 1. In the late winter of my 17th year, my mother decided I was depressed, probably because I really left the house, spent most of my time in bed, read the same book over and over, read infrequently, and spend a lot of time thinking about it. Everything you read about or read about cancer or whatever depression is always listed among the side effects of cancer. Body, body related depression is not a side effect of cancer. Depression is a side effect of the cancer is always a side effect of the but my mom believes that I need treatment, so she lured me to my harbor gym. Could agree that I was navigate a paralyzing and totally clinical depression and that therefore my needs need to be adjusted and I should also attend to a weekly support group. This support group factor a written cast of chapters in various tumors giving start of distress. Why did they write? Side effect of the support group, of course, was depressing us. But they met every Wednesday in the basement of a Wallet Episcopal church in the shop of a course. We all start in a circle right in the middle of the cross where that tables meet, where the heart of Jesus would have been. Okay. I noted I noticed this because Patrick, the leader of the support group and the only person over the age of 18 in the room, talking about the heart of Jesus at every meeting, all about how we young cancer survivors were sitting right in the beautiful sacred heart of Jesus. Okay, abstract. Hazel and Gox would like to have more ordinary life. Some would say that they were born with stars, that their goal is unfair. Hazel and Gox, they are alone tiners, but if the cancer that they both suffer as tough, then something it is that there is no time for regrets because we like it or it or not. There is only today and now. Okay, teacher, finish. Thank you.